as the leaves transform into vibrant hues of gold and crimson, and a crisp chill fills the air. A comforting aroma begins to waft from kitchens around the world, the irresistible scent of pumpkin soup. This culinary masterpiece, a celebration of autumn's bounty, has captured hearts and taste buds for generations. Pumpkin soup is more than just a meal, it's an experience to be cherished. With each spoonful, we're transported to a cozy haven where warmth and flavor intertwine beautifully. The smooth, velvety texture glides across the palate, while the subtle sweetness of pumpkin, enhanced by aromatic spices, tantalizes our senses. Whether enjoyed as a hearty starter or a satisfying main course, pumpkin soup embodies the very essence of fall. It's a reminder of nature's abundance, a celebration of seasonal flavors, and a testament to the simple joys of cooking and sharing a delicious meal with loved ones. Before we embark on our culinary journey to pumpkin soup perfection, let's gather the necessary ingredients and tools. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for a smooth cooking experience. Having everything ready and within reach will make the process enjoyable and efficient. Don't worry, this recipe is designed for simplicity and accessibility, ensuring that even novice cooks can create a culinary masterpiece. Cooking should be a joyful experience, and with this recipe, you'll find it both fun and rewarding. For our pumpkin soup, we'll need the star ingredient, pumpkin puree. This is the heart of our dish, providing that rich, earthy flavor that makes pumpkin soup so comforting. You can use canned pumpkin puree for convenience or roast your own pumpkin for a richer flavor. Roasting your own pumpkin can add a depth of flavor that's truly worth the extra effort. Simply cut the pumpkin in half, remove the seeds, and roast it in the oven until it's tender. We'll also need vegetable broth to form the base of our soup. The broth adds a savory element that balances the sweetness of the pumpkin, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. Onions and garlic are essential for aromatic depth. When sautéed, they release their natural sugars, adding a subtle sweetness and complexity to the soup. A touch of cream or coconut milk will add richness and creaminess to our soup. If you're looking for a dairy-free option, coconut milk is a fantastic alternative that also adds a hint of tropical flavor. To enhance the flavors, we'll use a medley of spices, including ground cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. These spices not only add warmth but also elevate the natural sweetness of the pumpkin. These warm and inviting spices complement the sweetness of the pumpkin, creating a symphony of flavors that dance on the palate. Each spice brings its own unique note, making every spoonful a delightful experience. A pinch of salt and pepper will season the soup to perfection. These basic seasonings are crucial for bringing out the flavors of all the other ingredients. In terms of tools, we'll need a large pot for cooking the soup. A sturdy pot ensures even cooking and allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. A cutting board and knife are essential for chopping the onions and garlic. A sharp knife makes the prep work quicker and safer, ensuring uniform pieces that cook evenly. An immersion blender or regular blender will help us achieve a smooth and velvety consistency. If using a regular blender, be sure to blend in batches to avoid overfilling and potential spills. And of course, we'll need bowls and spoons to savor the fruits of our labor. Presentation is key, so choose your favorite bowls to make the dining experience even more special. Now that we have everything we need, let's get cooking! Now that we have our ingredients and tools at the ready, let's dive into the wonderful world of pumpkin soup making. This comforting dish is perfect for chilly days and is sure to warm your soul. Let's transform these humble components into a culinary masterpiece. With a few simple steps, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to create a delicious and nutritious meal. Follow these simple steps, and you'll be savoring a bowl of homemade pumpkin soup in no time. The rich velvety texture and the aromatic spices will make this soup a favorite in your household. Step 1. Begin by heating a drizzle of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. The olive oil will provide a smooth base for our soup and help to sauté the vegetables. Add the chopped onions and cook until softened and translucent, about 5 minutes. Onions add a natural sweetness and depth of flavor to the soup. Then add the minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Garlic enhances the overall flavor profile and adds a subtle kick. Step 2. Pour in the pumpkin puree and vegetable broth, stirring well to combine. The pumpkin puree is the star of the show, providing a rich and creamy base. Add the ground cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, salt, and pepper. These spices will infuse the soup with warm autumnal flavors that are both comforting and invigorating. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. This simmering process is crucial for developing the soup's rich and complex taste. Step 3. After simmering, it's time to blend the soup. Blending will give the soup its signature smooth and creamy texture. You can use an immersion blender directly in the pot or carefully transfer the soup to a regular blender. Both methods work well, but an immersion blender offers the convenience of blending right in the pot. Blend until smooth and creamy, adding more broth if needed to reach your desired consistency. The consistency of the soup is a matter of personal preference, so feel free to adjust it to your liking. Step 4. Stir in the cream or coconut milk and heat through. This addition will make the soup even more luxurious and add a touch of richness. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. This is your chance to fine-tune the flavors and make sure the soup is just right. Ladle the soup into bowls and garnish as desired. Presentation is key, and a beautifully garnished bowl of soup is sure to impress. Toasted pumpkin seeds, a swirl of cream, or a sprinkle of fresh herbs add a touch of elegance and enhance the flavors. These garnishes not only look beautiful, but also add texture and additional layers of flavor to the soup. Finally, gather your loved ones and enjoy the fruits of your labor. There's nothing quite like sharing a homemade meal with those you care about. Bon appetit! Beyond its delectable flavor and versatility in the kitchen, pumpkin boasts an impressive nutritional profile, making it a true superfood. This humble gourd is not just for pies and lattes, it's a powerhouse of nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, pumpkin offers a myriad of health benefits that extend far beyond satisfying our taste buds. From boosting your immune system to enhancing your skin health, the benefits of pumpkin are truly remarkable. Pumpkin is an excellent source of vitamin A fat-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. This vitamin is essential for the proper functioning of our eyes, helping to prevent conditions like night blindness and age-related macular degeneration. Just 1 cup of cooked pumpkin provides over 200% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin A, making it an exceptional source of this essential nutrient. This means that incorporating pumpkin into your diet can significantly contribute to your overall vitamin A intake. In addition to vitamin A, pumpkin is also a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin C is known for its immune-boosting properties, helping to ward off colds and other illnesses. Vitamin C also supports collagen production, which is essential for healthy skin, bones, and blood vessels. This means that consuming pumpkin can help keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant, while also supporting the health of your bones and blood vessels. Furthermore, pumpkin contains a variety of minerals, including potassium, magnesium, and iron. These minerals play crucial roles in maintaining various bodily functions and overall health. Potassium is an electrolyte that helps regulate blood pressure, ensuring that your heart and muscles function properly. Meanwhile, magnesium plays a role in muscle and nerve function, helping to prevent cramps and spasms. Iron is crucial for oxygen transport throughout the body. It helps in the formation of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. Including pumpkin in your diet can help prevent iron deficiency anemia and keep your energy levels up. So, whether you enjoy it roasted, pureed, or in a delicious pie, incorporating pumpkin into your diet can provide a wealth of health benefits. This versatile and nutritious vegetable is a fantastic addition to any meal, offering both flavor and a boost to your overall well-being. Next time you see a pumpkin, remember that it's more than just a seasonal decoration. It's a nutritional powerhouse that can support your health in many ways. Embrace the health benefits of pumpkin and make it a regular part of your diet. The information presented in this video is for informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or health regimen. The content is based on personal experiences and opinions and should not replace professional medical guidance. Thank you for watching.